Alright, thank you for joining us for the second part of the video. We will be showing you a tertiary intervention with a student struggling with negative behaviors towards other students. Like we said earlier, PBIS helps improve relationships, including school personnel, parent, and student. So in this example, we will be having the school social worker, the student, Hannah, and myself as the mother. We will include teaching appropriate behaviors in the case of kindness. We will do an early intervention with the focus on positive behavior to lessen the negative behaviors. You will see the three-tier systems approach in the mention of the school-wide assembly, small groups like the lunch bunch, and the tertiary intervention itself. You will see the model progress monitoring with the use of sticker cards and the gotcha stickers for improving student behavior throughout all the systems within the home, the school, and the classroom.
Okay, well, hi, thank you so much for coming today, Ms. Castro, Hannah. Hannah, could you share with us why you feel like you're here today?
I think I'm here today because I got in trouble. I got in trouble in class. I got in trouble on the playground. I got sent to the office.
Right, and what was it? What was the thing you did wrong in each of those instances? What did you do wrong?
In the playground, I got mad at a girl. I called her names, and I kind of shoved her. I didn't push her, but I kind of shoved her a little bit. And in the classroom, we were getting lined up for lunch, and I did push a girl.
We don't like that. I don't like that when you do that to you.
Yeah, I know that it's hard, but you and I have talked about those individually on each incident. So what I'd like to talk to you now is about a way to help you, Hannah, to stop doing those things by putting some new positive things that you can do. We'll start with, tell me a little bit, do you remember yesterday we had the school-wide assembly at Rachel's Challenge and what our big word of the month is?
Being nice.
Being nice. Turn around for me, Hannah. What's that word right there?
Oh, kindness.
Kindness. Is that our word for the month?
Yes, it is.
Do you remember when I come in and read a book about kindness to you each week this month in your classroom?
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, good. And that's what we're here to talk about. Things you can do to be kind, that the more kind you are, Hannah, the less likely it is to have those negative things happen with your friends, because I know that you want to have friends, right?
Yeah, they're just not very nice to me, but yeah, I'd like to have some friends.
Okay, and I'd like to help you do that. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to have here a chart that you and Mom can
that's
look
my
at.
name right there.
It sure is, good girl. We're going to talk about, for example, Mom, what are some things, some kind things that Hannah does for you?
She helps me with the dishes.
Great.
And she helps me with her baby brother.
I like to feed him. She lets me help feed him when he's in the high chair sometimes.
So you are good at doing kind things. Very nice. Now, one of our things here under kindness is to use kind words. So if Mom, for example, you do that, and Mom, I'll pretend to be Hannah, will role play for her, and I say, and I help you, what would you say to me that's kind after I helped you?
I would say thank you.
And then I would say, you're welcome, Mom. Thank you for letting me help. It was a lot of fun. Okay, do you see how that can be very positive? And so I'd like you to try to role play that with Mom. Mom's going to thank you, and then you try that.
Okay.
Anna, thank you for helping me out with your baby brother today. It was really helpful.
Oh, you're welcome, Mom, and thank you for letting me help feed him. Thank you.
Okay, how did that make you feel?
It felt nice.
Yeah, how'd you like to feel that way with your friends?
No, well, my mom's super nice. My friends aren't nice.
Well,
it would feel good.
And here's what we're going to talk about, you feeling better and more comfortable with your friends, because the kinder we are, the kinder people are back to us. Just like your mom thanked you and was kind, you felt like thanking her back. Friends are the same way. So here's a chart. Hannah rocks. There you go. And Mom's got the stickers. Yes. So at home and at school.
Oh, those are smiley faces.
They are. Every time Hannah does one of the good things on her chart, like use her kind words, cleans up after herself, is quiet and courteous in the classroom, teachers and Miss Chris at school and all around the playground. If your friend, remember you shared with me that your friend cut in front of you, and you kind of were angry about that? Yeah. What do you think you could do to be kind that might earn you a sticker from the parapro that's at the play supervising? What could you do instead? Instead of pushing her, if she wanted very badly to get in the jump rope line.
I could have given her a turn.
Give me 5, girl! Very good. Yes, and then the parapro would know, and then you would be able to be allowed to have a sticker. And you put these on yourself, Hannah. This is for you to help keep up with. You can have one right now. Good girl to get started. Now, not only when you're on the playground, but when you're walking to and from class, because remember you push the girl in the hall, want to get in. What lines seem tough, remember?
Yeah.
The lunch line problem?
Yep.
Gotcha tickets. Mom has some of those too.
Okay.
So now you're in line for lunch. A girl wants to get the same fork that you do, and she is really behind you in line, and you know it.
Yeah.
But you're not going to get that much quicker. What could you do that might get you caught being good? What could you do that's kind?
I could let her have the fork.
Good. What Mom you want to? And there we go. And then
Gotcha ticket.
Gotcha ticket. And as you know, for school life,
Oh, thank you.
you'll get
two.
you get to turn that in. You get to turn that in. At the end of the day, you're in the drawing with the rest of the students to get a small get to choose out of the prize bucket
I've
at
never,
the end of the day.
I've never gotten that before.
But Hannah, you will.
Okay.
You will. So
Okay.
how do you feel about this? You feel comfortable if you go over this? We'll go over some more of these details about other areas. Respect, ownership, choices that are right, safety. But this week, we're going to focus on kindness.
Okay.
Okay? And you know that I'm available to you anytime if you have an issue. I know that you can do this, and I'm very proud of you for how you sat in today. Okay, Mom, do you have any questions?
I don't. I think
Okay.
you can do it as well.
I think so too. Thank you.